Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. When considering topical uses for bananas, one of the most notable ingredients is silica, a relative of silicon. Proponents claim that the silica in bananas can help increase collagen production, the natural proteins that keep skin hydrated and smooth. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic face mask for face. Bananas contain nutrients, some of which may help with skin health. These include potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, trace of vitamin A. Bananas help in controlling excess oil and sebum. Vitamin A in bananas smoothens and evens out the skin. Bananas restore the moisture in your skin and hydrate the skin cells. It also produces collagen, which can make your skin firm. Potassium, along with vitamins E and C in bananas, is responsible for making skin look clearer. Your skin may begin to age as soon as you reach your 30s and can show signs such as wrinkles, fine lines, and dull, dry, or uneven skin. This can make your skin appear lifeless. This face mask can help you to get rid of all these problems. Well, let's get started. All we need here is half banana, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, mash the banana in a bowl and add the aloe vera gel to make a smooth paste. Apply it to your face. Don't forget before applying any face mask to clean your face. Let it for about 25 to 30 minutes and wash with warm water. Try this once or twice a week, you will get an amazing result. Banana peels for skincare. Rubbing a banana peel on your face to brighten skin and reduce wrinkles. Placing a banana peel on closed eyes to reduce puffiness, using a banana peel as a moisturizer to hydrate skin, and rubbing the peel on acne scars to help them fade. Treating psoriasis by applying banana peel to the area with psoriasis to moisturize and relieve itch. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.